Okay, everyone. So just following up from something I assigned to you last week. Two variable inequalities from their graphs. Now, it should be on your assignment page as I'm showing you right here. Right here. Okay, I did assign it the end of April. But anyways, if you are still struggling finding your assignment page, remember, you could just search it, right? Go to the top of Khan Academy screen and just type this in, two variable inequalities, and I guarantee you'll be able to find this. So let's just do a couple problems together. Let's go. So let's say they gave you a graph, and the trick here is like a puzzle. We need to figure out what the equation is. Well, notice it goes through point 0, 0. What does that tell me? The line has b equal to 0. The y-intercept is 0, right? Let's find the slope. They give you another good point that's on this graph. So let's see what's going on here. I have to go up 1, 2, 3. I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Does everyone agree the slope, therefore, must be 3/4? It's positive because it's going up. Now, the last thing to notice is the line is dotted or dashed. What that means is actually inequality. Now, notice how it's shaded below the line, the dotted line. That means it's a less than. It's smaller than. So here is basically what you're going to type in your box down there, guys. You're going to say, okay, I know the equation is going to be y. It's going to be less than because of the dotted line, and I want to be smaller than or underneath the line. And my slope is 3/4 x plus b, which is 0. So, of course, we don't have to write the 0. So y is less than 3/4 x. Now, as you can see, that's what I typed in there. Now, one of the things I want you to do Khan Academy for again, guys, is getting used to clicking in boxes, being able to use the fraction button, learning how to use less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. You know, you're getting used to doing math on a computer, which is something you ought to get very familiar with, especially those you're going to college. You're going to find out you're going to be doing a lot more work online on your computer. All right, let's go on to the next one. Notice this time, guys, that's a solid line right there, isn't it? Okay, notice it's shaded above the line. See how the blue area is on top of or above the line. We already know, therefore, it's a greater than or equal to. We put the line right there underneath the greater than, guys, to show that it is equal to also. Now what? Well, let's find the y-intercept. Notice the y-intercept down there. B is -5. Let's find the slope. From this point to this point, see how I go up 2 and over 1. That means my slope is 2 over 1, or just simply 2. So, we're ready to do our answer, guys. Y greater than or equal to 2x. Remember, slope is 2. The b again was -5, so -5. And that's what you type in the box down there, guys, to get it right. Let's do at least one more. Notice it's a dotted line. Notice we're underneath the line again. See, if we were over here in red, that's greater than, in other words. But we're over here, it's less than. So let me just clean this up a little bit here. So what do we know so far? We know it's going to be y less than. It's not going to equal to because of the dotted line again. Notice the b there is at -4. Let's find the slope. From -4, I'm going to go to this other nice point on the dotted line. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 up over 1. That means my slope is little m, right? My little m slope is 3 over 1. And so that means that's a 3. So our answer is y less than 3x minus 4. So guys, you're going to have to do at least one or two more of these similar kind of inequalities, but hopefully you have to agree it's not that hard. We're just doing a nice review, guys. This, again, is something I've been reviewing with my grandson at college. And I said, why not do linear inequalities? Why not do some matrices with you guys? Just at least to give you a little head start when you get to college. Okay? And, of course, you're getting enrichment or extra credit for me by doing this to help you grade this semester. Bottom line, guys, everything I'm trying to teach you is important. Okay, I can't teach you everything, I have to be honest, because we're not in a classroom and so on. We have our limitations now. But anyways, hope you understand when it's a solid line, it's equal to. When it's a dotted line, it's just a less than, or in this, it is a less than. It could be a greater than if I was shading above it. So dotted is just a less than or greater than. Solid would be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, right? And you better know your slope and your y-intercepts pretty well. But that's how it's done, guys.